It's me Kulsum Ahmed. Today I'm here to share with you world's top 10 hit countries by COVID-19. Let's start with the first thing that I would like to share with you is the report that is published by European CDC organization, that is the Center for Disease Control and Prevention Department, that is the leading national public health institute of the United States, formed on 1st July 1946. The main purpose of this department is to provide health and human services, and its headquarters is located at Atlanta, Georgia. Its main goal is to protect public health and safety through the control and prevention of disease, injury, and disability in the United States and internationally. The COVID-19 pandemic has infected approximately 7 million people, and the death toll has surpassed 400,000 across the world. As you can see in this data, that how the cases have been increasing and deaths are also increasing. So this is going to be the worst disease. Let's see the first country that is most hit by coronavirus, that is United States. Yes, it's United States. More than 2 million people in United States have tested positive for the coronavirus, and more than 110,000 have died. The growth in new cases and deaths overall has at last temporarily slowed, but the pattern hasn't been consistent across the country. Many states began relaxing some social distancing measures in May, and health leaders are watching for signs that the virus is starting to spread more aggressively in upcoming months. The second most hit country by coronavirus is Brazil. Brazil's coronavirus death toll overtook Britain's to become the second highest in the world. But the World Health Organization said the nation's health system was standing up to the pressure. The Ministry of Health recorded 850,796 cases of coronavirus, and overall deaths were at 42,791. The next one is Russia. Despite the Russian government's assertions that it has the COVID-19 crisis under control, the outbreak encircled the country, and Russia confirmed 528,964 cases of coronavirus, and they reported overall deaths at 6,948. The next country after Russia comes India. India has borne the brunt with cases increasingly each day. The first case of COVID-19 in India was reported on January 30, 2020, and as of June 14, 2020, confirmed cases are 332,782, and overall deaths are at 9,523. The impact of pandemic is visible across the sectors globally, but its impact on marginalized sections, women, and children have been immense in India. The crisis is going to affect economy as never before, leading to massive psychosocial impacts as well. The next one is United Kingdom. The most deprived area in England and Wales have been hit twice as hard by the coronavirus outbreak compared to the wealthiest areas. Data from the Office of National Statistics report that overall 295 and 889 cases were reported in United Kingdom, and overall 41,698 deaths were recorded. The next one comes the Spain. Spain saw what happened in Iran and Italy, and yet it overtook China's death toll in one of the darkest movements in recent Spanish history. In the chilling table of daily death from the coronavirus pandemic, the nation has more than 290,685 coronavirus cases, and out of those, 27,136 were the deaths. But now infection has been slowing down in Spain. The next one is Italy. Italy had high death toll as coronavirus hit Italy in late February. Italy is one of the nations worst hit by the global coronavirus pandemic. The country was the first in the West to impose rigorous measures to curb the virus. The latest figures, which were calculated on June 14, show that overall 236,989 cases were reported in Italy. Out of that, 34,345 was the death toll. The next one is Peru. Peru has the second highest number of coronavirus infections in Latin America. The COVID-19 pandemic in Peru is part of the worldwide pandemic. The virus was reported to have spread to Peru on 6 March 2020 when a 25-year-old man who had traveled to Spain, France tested positive. Peru has reported 229,736 cases. Out of that, 6,688 were deaths. The next one is France. France is facing a major challenge of recession concerning the effect of COVID-19 pandemic. It has affected the whole production capability of the country, coupled with a slowdown in global demand and concerns regarding the availability of new raw material. Total cases were reported 157,220 and 29,407 were the deaths at France. The next one is Germany. Compared to many other countries, Germany has managed the COVID-19 crisis well, owing to its properly funded health system, technological edge, and decisive leadership. But beyond any unique feature of German system is something that all countries can replicate: a strong commitment to building public trust. Germany is often referred to as a positive example of how to manage the COVID-19 pandemic. They were successful in preventing the overburdening of their health system. The curve of infection is clearly flattering, and the proportions of severe cases and facilities are lower in Germany than any other countries. But this makes Germany humble rather than overconfident. Germany reported over 187,671 cases and 8,870 were the deaths. So this was all about my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.